Network diagram. So what is network diagram?
A network diagram is a visual representation of network architecture. It maps out the structure of a network with a variety of different symbols and line connection. It is the ideal way to share the layout of a network because the visual presentation makes it easier for users to understand how items are connected.
So, ang network diagram daw is a visual representation of network architecture. So, kung architecture sa balay, napoy architecture sa network. So, it maps out the structure of a network with a variety of different symbols. Ang network diagram has a different symbols nga nagdaghan ka siya different symbols ug naa siya mga line connections. So, it is the ideal way to share the layout of a network. So, mo po di ang way para naay layout ang atong network because the visual representation makes it easier for users to understand how items are connected. So, tungod sa network diagram, easy lang siya masabtan sa mga users kung giunsa siya pag-connect or unsaon siya paghimo ang network nato. This is the example or the pictures of network diagram. As you can see, naa siya mga line connected or naa siya mga line nga naka-connect sa isa ka butang ug naay mga symbols nga ato makita diri sa screen. So, mo ni ang network diagram. There are two types of network diagram.
First, we have physical. This type of network diagram showcases the actual physical relationship between devices and components, which make the network.
So, ang physical is a type of network diagram showcases the actual physical relationship. So, ang physical is nagapakita siya sa physical relationship between devices o sa mga components kung kinsa tong mga nagahimo sa ato ang network.
Second is we have logical. This type of diagram shows how the devices communicate with each other and information flows through the network. It is mostly used to depict subnets, network devices, and routing protocols.
So, logical is a type of diagram nga nagapakita kung giunsa sa mga devices pag-communicate sa bitag usa o sa mga information nga nagadagan nga niana nga network. So, kaning kasagaran daw ni nga ginagamit ang logical sa kanang ginagamit siya to depict subnets, network devices, and routing protocols. What are the network diagram symbols used? So we discussed earlier nga kung unsa ang mga diagram symbols. So morning ang diagram symbols sa kasagaran na ginakuan nato sa network diagram. So unsa ba ang ilahang gamit? So mo ni ilahang gamit. These are the commonly used symbols used in a network diagram. So mo ni ang kasagaran nga ginagamit kung maghimo og network diagram. Mo ni nga symbols ang ginagamit kung maghimo og network diagram. However, there are many other symbols which can make your network diagram precise and clear. So, miskan pa daw, naapawilain nga mga symbols nga makahimo sa imong network diagram nga mas klaro pa o kanang precise. So, we have types of network diagrams. First, we have bus topology, ring, star, mesh, tree. So, we have 5 types of network diagrams.
These are easiest figure and will require lesser cable length than any other topology. The computers or a network are connected to a single line with 2 endpoints or a backbone hence. It is also popularly known as line topology.
So bus topology is the easiest way to configure and will require lesser cable length than any other topology. So ang bus topology is the easiest to configure og naga-require lang siya og lesser cable length. So dili kay siya require og atong mga tag-as kay nga cable kaysa sa mga other topology. So the computers or network are connected to a single line or a backbone. So ang katong computers or network kay naka-connect sila to a single line or kanamo siya nagapurma og backbone. So hence it is also popular known as line topology. So ang tawag po sa bus topology is known as line topology.
Ring topology. As the name suggests, the network in the form of a ring, each device or node connect with exactly 2 others until it becomes a circle. Information is sent from node to node in circular fashion until it reaches its destination. It is easy to add or remove a node from ring topology unlike in bus topology. However, if any of the cables break or nodes fail, then the entire network fails.
ring. So ang ring is, as the name suggests, the network is in the form of ring. So makita ninyo sa picture nga it forms a ring. Each device or node connects with exactly two others until it becomes a circle. So makita po ninyo nga ang mga devices or each device or node na connects with exactly two others na hangtod sa nahimo siyang circle. So information is sent from node to node until it reaches its destination. So kanang ang information daw kay isend from one another to another nga node, so hangtod sa ma-reach niya ang destination. So it is easy to add or remove a node from ring topology unlike in bus topology. So easy lang po daw sa ring topology nga mag-remove po ka ng mga node kaysa sa bus topology. However, if any of the cables break or nodes fail, then the entire network fail.
Star topology. Each node is separately and individually connected to a pass hub. Thereby forming a star, all the information passes through the hub before it's sent to destination. While star topology takes up a lot more cable length than other, failure of any node will not affect the network. Not only this, each node can be taken down easily in case of any breakage or failure. However, if the hub fails, the network will be stalled.
Star. So, each node is separately and individually connected to a hub. So, makita ninyo nga dili connected ang each devices, nakakonect lang sila sa isa ka hub, thereby forming a star. So, makita po ninyo nga naka-form siya into a star. All the information passes through the hub before it is sent to the destination. So ang mga information niya passes through the hub before it is sent to the destination niya. Ang mga information kay mo adto pa daw siya sa hub before siya maadto sa iyahang destination. So while star topology takes up a lot more cable length than other, failure of any node will not affect the network. So mo po niyang kanindutan sa star topology kay takes up a lot more cable length. So dagan po siya cable na kailangan than other, pero failure of any node will not affect the network. Kay kung naay ma-failure sa isa ka sa mga node, dili po siya maapektuhan ang network. Not only this, each node can be taken down easily in case of any breakage or failure. So dili lang po sa kuan, dali po daw kayo nga ang isa ka node can be taken down easily. Dali lang siya makuha or matanggal in case nga naay guba or ma-fail. So however, if the hub fails, the network will be stalled.
Mesh topology. In this type of network diagram, each node relays data for the network. It can be of two types, full mesh and partially connected mesh. While each node is connected to one another in full mesh, nodes are connected to each other based on their interaction patterns in a partially connected mesh.
So mesh daw is a type of network diagram. So each node relays data for the network. So ang isa ka nodes, each node naga-relays lang sila or nagasalig lang sila sa data for the network. It can be of two types, so full mesh and partially connected mesh. While each node is connected to one another in full mesh, nodes are connected to each other based on their interaction patterns in partially connected mesh. So kung ang katong each node kay connected sa one another in full mesh, napoy ka ng nodes nga connected to each other based on their interaction or nagabase silang interaction patterns or in a partially connected mesh.
Tree topology. It is combination of bus and star topology. Tree topology is the combination, the bus and the star topology. And you can see in the picture that the bus and star topology are connected each other, and that is a tree topology. That's all.